Want to make your own song in seconds? Let's try ElevenLabs' new AI Music Generator and see how it works, step by step. First things first, head over to the ElevenLabs website and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Music. That's where all the magic begins. Clicking it opens up a simple prompt box. Here you have to describe the kind of song you want. Now let's test it out. Imagine you want a modern pop track with upbeat energy, strong bass, and catchy melodies. Just type that description into the prompt box. Before generating, you'll notice two main controls. Song variations. You can choose whether you want one version or up to 4 at the same time. Duration. Anywhere from 30 seconds to 4 minutes, and even it has a custom feature. For beginners, I recommend starting with a 1-minute track. That gives you enough to hear the structure without waiting too long for generations. Click Generate. And in a few seconds, you'll have your AI-made music ready to preview.
Feel the night come alive.
Here's where ElevenLabs really shines. Instead of regenerating the whole song, you can actually edit specific sections. For example, if you want the intro to sound more dramatic, just click into that section, type your change, and regenerate only that part. Everything else stays untouched. You can make many changes as you want, which get saved as different versions. That way, you can compare and download whichever one you like best.
Feel the night come alive. Hey, the night is calling. Yeah, hey, feel the night.
If you want more control, you can include tempo, key, or even atmosphere in your prompts.
Hey, feel the night come alive. Ready for the ride.
For instance, fast-paced electronic track in a minor, perfect for workout playlists. Slow piano ballad with emotional build-up.
I trace the shadows on your memory.
The AI understands these musical terms surprisingly well. And if you'd rather skip lyrics altogether, just add keywords like instrumental only or a cappella to your prompt. ElevenLabs isn't just for making songs. You can use it for all kinds of projects. Background music for YouTube videos, custom soundtracks for games or YouTube shorts. Relaxing ambient loops for studying or meditation. Even audio branding for ads or business promos. Want something unique? Try mixing moods like chill jazz vibe with futuristic synths. Or dark cinematic track with soft choirs. You'll be surprised how creative the results can get. Now, before you start publishing your tracks, let's quickly talk about licensing. On the free plan, the music is just for personal use. On the starter plan, you can monetize on platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Higher tiers unlock full commercial rights, meaning you can even distribute to music stores or streaming services. For more of this kind of videos, subscribe to TechSimplify.